lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel.
Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to unbox a mini handheld fan. It is called Xiaomi Solove F9. This is rechargeable fan and the battery capacity is 2000 ampere. Everything written on the box is Chinese language. So let's see what's inside it. A charging cable to charge this fan. This is micro USB. This is the fan. Let's see what's other thing in the box. This is user guide, Chinese user guide, so this is useless for me. This is the fan's tray, and this is the main thing, the fan. I am using this fan since 1 year and still now this is new and the service is good. It is really well built and the plastic quality is very good. There are 3 types of speed on this fan: slow, medium, fast. You can choose the speed by pressing this switch. I used this fan last 1 year and to be honest, this fan from Xiaomi is really good. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page. Thank you.